Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make bullseye in Adobe Illustrator CC. Let's start. Go to toolbar on left side. Go to rectangle tool. Click and hold on small triangle. You will see the other tools. Select ellipse. Now just click on artboard. Enter values in dialog box. Enter width and height 1000 px and press OK. You just draw a circle. Similarly, draw a circle of 800 px by 800 px. Draw a circle of 600 px by 600 px. Draw a circle of 400 px by 400 px. Draw a circle of 200 px by 200 px. Select black arrow or simply press V. Put circles on top of each other. Make sure each circle is center-aligned. Arrange all shapes like this. Now select circles by Shift and click and press Alt key. You will see arrow change into double arrow white and black. It's mean you are ready to copy the object. Alt and drag the shape to copy to another place. Make sure all shapes are selected. Go to Windows menu. Select Pathfinder. Select Exclude button. This will convert the shapes into one shape. Here is your first bullseye. Change the size, width, height or both to see the variations. To change the size, simply select the object and drag from any side with Shift. Drag inwards or outwards, it will change the size proportionally. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. If you like my tutorial, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials.